Yeah. What's up, sons? It's Blind Run with Son of a Tech once again, and for anybody new to the channel, this channel covers cryptocurrency, and today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency ABCs. We're going to be starting with the A's, the letter A, and terminology that you may have seen floating around that you don't understand or want to learn more about. We're going to get into it right after a word from our sponsor. Today's sponsor is CDK Deals. Do you have that pesky Activate Windows watermark on your desktop? Want to get rid of it? Check out CDK Deals to purchase a Windows 10 key for up to 35% off. To activate, it's as simple as clicking the link in the description. Once on the web page, click Buy Now, then sign up for an account. Once you've signed up, type in promo code SOT35 for 35% off and click Submit Order. From here, you can pay with FastPay, PayPal, credit card, etc. Once you have completed your purchase, the key will be located in My Purchased Orders under your account. Click View Keys and Codes, click Get the Key, then copy the code. Search in Cortana for activation settings, click on Change Product Key, use Ctrl+V to paste the key into the box and click Next. Next, you will need to click Activate, and ta-da, no more pesky watermark. Don't forget to click the link in the description and use promo code SOT35 when purchasing for 35% off. One quick note is that this is a one-time use key, as it is an OEM key. Thanks for supporting the channel by supporting our sponsors. Welcome back. So, the first word is going to be address or addresses. Every cryptocurrency has a unique address that identifies where it sits on the blockchain. It's this address, this location, at which the coin's ownership data is stored and where any changes are registered when it is traded. These addresses differ in appearance between cryptocurrencies, but are usually a string of more than 30 characters. Now, if you guys are interested in how those addresses are secured, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell, and we will be talking about private keys in the future in the P's. Next, we have Airdrop. This is a marketing campaign that refers to expedited distribution of a cryptocurrency through a population of people. It usually occurs when the creator of a cryptocurrency provides its coin to low-ranked traders or existing community members in order to build their use and popularity. They are usually given away for free or in exchange for simple tasks like sharing news of the coin with friends on Twitter, Facebook, and other social media platforms. Now, just a quick note about this. Airdrops usually have a negative connotation to them if you see them in a white paper for a coin. And that is primarily due to not only regulation, but also the idea of poor distribution and not actually having a valid use case for your emissions. So things like proof of work, where you have a zero emissions launch, is typically preferred over an airdrop. Algorithm is a mathematic instruction coded into and implemented by computer software in order to produce a desired outcome. The different algorithms are implemented into blockchain specifically to process different blocks or transactions on the block, and then in return pay the people that have processed these algorithms some sort of reward, usually known as a block reward, which we'll talk about in the B's. All-time high, the highest price ever achieved by a cryptocurrency. Short is ATH if you are reading on Twitter. All-time low, the short for it would be ATL, and that would be the lowest price ever achieved by a cryptocurrency, a specific one. Altcoins, also known as coins, is basically this. Bitcoin was the first and is the most successful of all cryptocurrencies. All other coins are grouped together under the category of altcoins. This includes Ethereum, Ripple, Polkadot, Cardano, Ravencoin, anything but Bitcoin is an altcoin. AML. It's an acronym for anti-money laundering, which is a set of international laws that hope to prevent criminal organizations or individuals from laundering money through cryptocurrencies into real-world cash. Asic stands for Application Specific Integrated Circuit. It is a piece of computer hardware similar to a graphics card or a CPU that has been designed specifically to mine cryptocurrency. They are built specifically to solve hashing problems efficiently. Now, they are typically tied to a single algorithm, which we learned about earlier in the video, so they cannot mine multiple cryptocurrencies, unlike CPUs or GPUs. However, they do it much more efficiently and therefore usually produce more profit. But once you are done with that machine, as it goes out of production for newer, faster ASIC hardware, it basically is digital waste. There's nothing else left to do with it, and you can't resell it. So that is the upside and the downside. Arbitrage. There are multiple exchanges at any given time trading in the same cryptocurrency, and they can do so at different rates. Arbitrage is the act of buying from one exchange and then selling it to the next exchange if there is a margin between the two that is profitable. This has also been something that we have been talking about with MEV, minor extracted value or maximal extracted value on the Ethereum network, that we'll cover later in the M's of this series. Finally, a huge bonus here is going to be apes, and as defined by the Urban Dictionary, an ape, also known as a smooth brain, is an individual who knows nothing else other than buy and hodl. This is his code. He does not play into FUD, which will be defined later, but instead cracks open a new box of crayons for an afternoon snack. Trying to fight against the ape is futile, as apes of his class tend to stand together in massive numbers. They are often seen trading hard-earned bananas for stonks and a possibility of earning tendies in return. They don't know when the tendies will come, however, and this is why hodl, which we'll also define later in this series. Their overall unwillingness to sell, despite shill attacks, hedgy threats, and mainstream media FUD, has earned them the title of having what's known in nature as diamond hands, which we will also define later. The strongest force found here on Earth, a force underestimated by apes' mortal enemy known as Citadel. These apes currently desire to live on the moon using rocket ships with pretty colors. Not much else is known about the ape community, but if you ever run into one, you might just hear them whisper, "This is the way," right before getting hit in the face with feces. This is the way. Thanks for watching today. If you found this content helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share the video out with your cryptocurrency noob friends to start learning about all the crypto terminology, which I've been being asked about a lot, so I thought that this would be a great series. We'll probably combine some letters together. A's took quite a while. I think we are, about 8 minutes into the video, so that should be good. I'm pretty excited about this series. I hope you guys are too. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe once again, and I will see you next Tuesday. Follow on Twitter at Son of a Tech. If you enjoyed this content, you can watch more by clicking this playlist up here, or go ahead and subscribe.